So today is Wednesday, February 3rd. Go ahead and begin the starter, please. Okay, please begin the starter. This will assess really how well you did your maps yesterday. Okay, they were due by 10 p.m. So which of the following is true based on the last three maps from page 84, Sub-Saharan Africa Geography? So go ahead and answer those questions now. Select all of the options that are true. Go. I'll give you two minutes, please. All right, so we'll continue here. Hopefully you did well on that starter. Today, we're going to research. You're going to research the culture of a country of sub-Saharan Africa. Yes, we are doing another culture poster. There are two more, at least two more, that we're going to do this year. This one and at least one more after this. Okay, yeah, this is the routine. You should know. I'm changing some of the requirements, though, so I need you to make sure you pay attention. And I created a rubric for you as well that you can see in tomorrow's lesson. Okay, so we're going to understand how cultural values influence relationships between individuals, groups, and political entities in modern societies and regions. Units, still Africa and the Middle East, discontent creates change is still our, our statement of inquiry. So look at our synchronous work. So the starter, which you should have done, right? And then we're going to begin 85, Sub-Saharan Africa Culture Research. So you can go there right now in your digital notebook to page 85. And then we'll finish with the ticket out the door. So you kind of know the routine. Your asynchronous work is to complete page 85. Complete page 85. So here's the deal. We've been doing this a lot. This is our fourth or fifth time. This is our fourth time. So that means the expectations are higher. Okay, each time expectations get a little bit higher. Okay, first time I was a little bit more gracious. Second time, less gracious. Third time, okay, but now, okay, this has to be done and it needs to be perfect. You know how to do it. You should know what culture is. Okay, so the posters must be perfect, and I'm going to explain that in a little bit. Okay, all right, but let's go to page 85, please. Everybody go to page 85. Give you 30 seconds. Go. All right, now on this page, you can see, everybody should be on this page also in Canvas. You should see what you have assigned to you, okay, which country you've been assigned. So go ahead and take a look at that now. I've got those same 4 resources available just to give you some help to get you started on your research for these countries in sub-Saharan Africa. Okay, so take a look at that. Make sure everybody type the country you have in the chat, please. Everybody type the country you have in the chat. Okay, so I know, so it is clear to me that you're with me, that you know which country you have. Okay. All right. Good, good, good. Some responses. Great. Okay. I'm gonna do a new share so y'all can see again my entire screen over there. So you can see, okay, so everybody should be, again, you should also be on page 85. I distributed that to you. Good, good. I think everybody knows which country they have. Now, once again, though, right, this is the same thing for the most part, at least with the research. The research is exactly the same. Okay, so you need to get this information. If there's no way for you to put it in your own words because it's just numbers and data about the percentages and names of the ethnic groups, then you don't have to put that in your own words. If it is something other than that and you can put it in your own words, please do so. We got to focus on not writing sentences. Okay, all right? I don't want sentences. I don't want to read sentences on a poster. Nobody wants to read sentences and paragraphs on a poster, not these massive descriptions. Posters are meant to be a little bit easier to read, okay? So keep that in mind as you're doing your research today. So again, here's what you're doing. You're putting your student notes in this section, okay? High quality internet image. For the ethnic groups, you're creating a pie chart. So you honestly don't need that because you're gonna put that pie chart, you're gonna create it in Canva, okay? So just keep that in mind. And I'll go through this. I'll do one of these for you. Okay, now again, this is not going to be one of your countries, but I'm going to go to CIA World Factbook. Again, they changed it. They changed it so it looks completely different. Okay, you're going to go to CIA World Factbook. Everybody should do this right now for your country, please. Everybody do this right now for your country. Everybody get caught up. Everybody click on CIA World Factbook. Give you 30 seconds to get there. Okay, go. All right, so I got a good question. Do you have to do pictures on the chart? Yes, please put pictures on the chart, okay? If there's a picture already in Canva that you think would be, no, I want you to find a picture online to put in there because I think this is part of just seeing what it looks like. Even if you're not gonna use that specific high quality image, I think it's important to put an image on the chart anyway so you get that visualization. Okay, so that would be important. You may not use that exact image because maybe Canva has one already that you can use, and that would be okay. All right. So now everybody click on countries, please. Countries. All right, do that now. You got 10 seconds. Now find your country, please. Find your country, please. I'm going to do Malawi again, okay? All right, I'm going to click on M, go to Malawi. Everybody find your country and click on it, please. 10 seconds. Okay, next up. Once again, for me, I scroll down. People and society. Everybody find people and society. I'll give you 10 seconds and then click people and society, please. Okay, next step for me, okay, right? Ethnic groups right here. And this is an example where I can't put that in my own words. I can't do it. It's impossible. Okay, I can't change the ethnic groups of the people in Malawi. I can't do that. I shouldn't do that. Okay, so I'm going to take this information right here. I'm going to copy it. Okay, I'm going to copy that. Come back to my document and paste it in here. Okay. Ooh, I like how it gave that what it's from. That's really good. Oh man, that's really good. Because then you can take that. Can't believe that. I can do all the work for you these days. You can add that into there. Oh man, that is really nice. That is really nice. All right. And then you do the same thing for language, religion. You may have to look for food and research and watch a video on food for your country, all these different things. Okay, and that's fine. I'm not gonna, well, let's do this. So look at language right here, right? Copy that. Back up. Paste. I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna move it over here so I know where it came from. All right. That's really nice that they do that for you. Okay. Any questions about that? Any questions about expectations about how to get this information? Okay, we should be good. We should know exactly what to do. And obviously, if you're still people in society, look at religions are right here. I mean, that's it. That's easy too. My goodness. This work is too easy. Too easy. Too easy. I'm gonna take that link. I'm gonna move it over here so I know where it came from. All right, and then I look up food, sports, recreation, art. Okay. Now here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go over the next page. Okay, because I think it's just important that you see the expectations so you know what I'm looking for here. I'm gonna jump ahead. We'll come back to the ticket out the door in just a minute. We'll come back to the ticket out the door in just a minute. But let's look at February 4th. I'm gonna go over the poster for you before you begin because I think a lot of you will begin and get it done quick. I want to make sure you know exactly what's expected for the poster. Yeah, again, picture a language. I don't know, maybe if you can get the percentages of the people that speak the different languages, I suggest doing another chart, a pie chart, a bar graph. See if you can find that information. Maybe there's a flag that represents, so if English is the language, then you could put like the British flag, a Spanish, okay? But a lot of these languages, I think of sub-Saharan Africa, you're maybe not going to necessarily just find that it's like a European-based language. So it may be a little bit more difficult. So see what you can come up with. But here's what I want. Take a look here at the rubric. Okay, I put a rubric on this page. Here, this is valued at 10 points. This is valued at 10 points. I want to make sure that this is done well. I do not want any more than 5 characteristics on your poster. I just want 5. I don't want 6 or 7 like we've done before, okay? Or 8. I want 5. No more than 5. I don't want 4. I don't want 6. I want 5, okay? And here's what I'm going to look at. Okay, these are the categories. First, ethnic groups. Do you have a title? If so, you get 0.5 points, half a point. Is it in bullet points? Is it like just listed? Okay, then you get 0.5 points. Is the information accurate? You get 0.5 points. And do you have a pie chart for ethnic groups? You get half a point. You got to create that pie chart. Don't find it on the internet. I want you to make it in Canva. And that's a total of 2 points that you can receive there for ethnic groups. Then you're going to choose one of your other cultural characteristics, another category. You have a title, half a point. Bullet points, half a point. If you write a sentence, you lose that half a point. Is the information accurate? Do you have a high resolution image or graphic? And that's the same thing for the rest of them. So if you're putting sentences and paragraphs, I'm taking off points this time. Okay, if your information is not accurate, I'm taking off points. If you don't have a title, I'm taking off points. If your image is terrible, I'm taking off points. Okay, this is our 4th time doing this. We need to show mastery now, and these are the expectations, and it's valued at 10 points. This must be submitted, and I got tons of time. Sunday, 10 p.m. Plenty of time. You probably get it done today, honestly, or tomorrow. We're having a work day on it tomorrow and even Friday. So honestly, no excuses here. Tons of time to get caught up on any late work, missing work, and get this done. I mean, y'all got to do this, and you got to do it well. It needs to be perfect. I'm going to grade this very much more strict based on this rubric. Any questions? And honestly, y'all, if this is the case, I would take off a point right here for me for holidays. I would lose a half a point. That's too much writing. Here too. Okay, I want like list, like food. You see that? That's what I'm looking for. Okay, language, that's good. I could put that in bullet point, but that's good too. Okay. All right, let's go back. Let's go to ticket out the door, please. Ticket out the door for today. And before we do that as well, one other thing. Friday, your starter on Friday is another formal map reading quiz. Okay? Another formal map reading quiz on Friday. So I'm working on it right now. It's right here, February 5th. I'm working on that right now. Okay? I'll have that done today. Let's everybody go to take it out the door, please. All right, same as always, free 5 points. This is free 5 points. Objective, unit, statement of inquiry, and the asynchronous work. All right. Questions in the chat? Okay, your focus right now is your culture research. Okay, do not move ahead to the poster. You need to fill your mind with content about the culture of the country you were assigned. Watch videos on it, listen to people from these countries, read up on it, put your information in a bulleted format on the research page, please, because you're going to have plenty of time to work on your poster tomorrow and the next day and the weekend if you need it. But focus on gathering all that content, inquiring, looking into it for your countries, okay, today. Okay, thank you.